Yo, hold up. Did you hear about this new Fantastic Force Recruitment mode in Marvel Contest of Champions? Yeah, I know some of y'all probably skipped past it thinking it's just another side quest. But nope, this one's different. Not only can you rack up more than 20,000 points per day, but there's also a shot at earning the freaking Legend title. And if you've got energy refills just sitting around collecting dust in your stash, this is the moment to unload them. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to play this mode, how the point system actually works, and give you the easiest, fastest way to max your progress and secure all milestones, including that Legend title. Let's get into it. Alright, so once you jump into the Fantastic Force Recruitment mode, you'll see two ways to play. And yeah, they both cost energy, but here's the key. Option 1, use 10 energy. Option 2, use 30 energy. If you go in with 10 energy, your points are calculated at a SOP 1x multiplier. So if you earn 1,000 points from that run, that's exactly what you get, just 1,000 points. But if you go in with 30 energy, your points get tripled. Same fight, same result, but now you're pulling in 3,000 points instead of just 1,000. Like, bro, why would you not triple your rewards just by spending a little more energy? This means if you're serious about grinding out the milestones or going for that Legend title, 30 energy runs are 100% the move. And let's be honest, if your stash is overflowing with energy refills, this is the perfect time to use them. Like, forget hoarding. You've got a shot at a Legend title. Don't hold back now. But hey, before you go all in on that 30 energy strategy, there's a catch. Yeah, classic Kabam move, right? You can't actually use the 30 energy option right away. It's locked behind the 4th milestone reward. So here's what you gotta do. Start off by grinding with this 10 energy option, stack up your points, and push your way to that 4th milestone as quickly as possible. Once you unlock that 30 energy path, that's your green light to go full send. No more 10 energy nonsense. From that point on, just stick with the 30 energy version. Triple the points, faster milestones, less overall grind. It's the fastest way to climb if you're gunning for the Legend title or just want to scoop all the rewards. Trust me, after that 4th milestone, the grind becomes a lot smoother, as long as you go big with the 30 energy route. Alright, now let's talk about these squads. Yeah, I know, sounds like some serious strategy stuff, but don't worry, I got you. So when you hop into this mode, you'll see these different squads you can build. And it kind of works like a card game. Your points depend on which team you bring in. Now here's the thing, there are more than 10 different squads to remember. 10. Like, bro, we already memorized nodes, counters, immunities, relics, synergy boosts. My brain can't handle one more checklist. But here's the cheat code. This whole squad thing, it's literally a color game. You've got blue, yellow, orange, and green champions. And if you really want to maximize points with the least amount of stress, just bring 5 champs of the same color. That's it. That's the move. Forget trying to make some 3 blue, 1 yellow, 2 green combo for a random bonus. Just go full monocolor and rake in the easy points. It saves time, saves brain cells, and lets you focus on actually playing instead of doing math. So yeah, color match your team, keep it simple, and watch your point gains go through the roof. Alright, now let's get into how this mode actually works, because this is where the real magic and confusion happens. So here's what's going to happen when you start a run. You'll be given 5 random champions right at the start. Your job is to build the best squad based on color and class to get max points. But you only get 3 swap chances to fix your team, so use them wisely. Doesn't matter. It's all about getting 5 champions of the same color. That's the easiest way to build a top-scoring squad without going insane trying to remember 10+ combo conditions. So again, get your 5 random champs. Lock in on the color you have the most of, like 2 orange. Use your 3 swaps to try and get a full squad of that same color. Once you've got all 5 matching, go smack that final boss, grab your points, and collect those juicy milestone rewards. That's literally it. Fight, swap, match colors, beat the boss, collect points. No need to overthink classes or weird squad names or specific number orders. Just stick to color matching, and you're golden. Play a few rounds, test it out, and trust me, after 2 to 3 runs, it'll click, and you'll be farming points like a machine. Alright, so now for the big one, the Legend title. The one thing that makes all this grinding totally worth it. You've seen people rocking it. You know it feels good. But here's the thing. This ain't just about hitting milestones or maxing points. To earn the Legend title in the Fantastic Force Recruitment mode, you've got to do one specific thing. Defeat the final boss using a full team of blue-colored champions. That's it. No multicolored squad, no class mixing. Just straight-up blue energy all the way. So here's what you need to do. 1. Start your run and look for blue champions in your initial 5. 2. If you get even 2 or 3 blue champs, that's your green light. Use your 3 swaps wisely to chase down the remaining blue ones. 3. Your goal is to lock in a full team of 5 blue champions before facing the final boss. 4. Once you've got your full blue squad, go in, smash that boss, and boom, you qualify for the Legend title. But here's the real tip. Don't just wait until the last day to do this. If you mess up your swaps or get unlucky with pulls, you'll waste your energy and miss the shot. Try this multiple times. Practice runs. Get used to spotting the right champs fast and building the team under pressure. You already know how the point system works now, so stack up those refills, focus your energy, and when you're ready for the Legend run, go blue, go hard, and claim your title. This ain't just about rewards. It's about bragging rights. All right, that's the full breakdown, baby. Now you know how to play, how to grind, and exactly what to do to grab that Legend title. No confusion, no wasting energy, just straight strategy. But hey, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. If this video helped you even a little bit, go drop a like, hit that subscribe, and most importantly, share this with your alliance, your friends, your Discord squad, whoever plays this game. Let's get everyone on the same page, farming smarter and claiming that Legend status together. And if this video gets the hype it deserves, we'll keep breaking down every mode, every meta, and every hidden trick Kabam throws at us. So hit that like button like you're smashing the final boss, comment Legend Hunt if you're going for the title, and I'll catch you in the next one.